Thank you for viewing this stunning Polo here at Redditch Volkswagen Trust Group UK. This Polo is covered by the Volkswagen Approved Used Car Programme. This is the Match Edition specification, which was the most popular spec at the time due to the number of features and functions you have. It's finished in the lovely Nimbus Grey Metallic, has the 1.2 TSI 90 brake horsepower engine, 3-door, and it also comes with the upgraded 16-inch Knight two-tone diamond cut alloy wheels. You have front and rear ultrasonic parking sensors, black and grey cloth upholstery throughout, ISOFIX points in the rear, a touchscreen infotainment unit which comes with digital radio, phone, Bluetooth, various media options and your App Connect technology, turning your compatible smartphone into things such like satellite navigation, streaming music and talking on the go. Air conditioning, 12-volt socket, USB and aux in. It's a 5-speed manual gearbox with traditional handbrake. You do get the cruise control with speed limiter, and the mileage on this car is just 8,868 miles. Also comes with some great features such as auto lights, wipers, dimming rear view mirror and electric folding mirrors. That's not all, so to find out more, call the sales team. It's 01527 883300. Alternatively, please submit your inquiry via online.